बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम गाइस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे कंप्यूटर के बेसिक MCQs। अगर हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। Which program damage a computer's virus कहलाता है? So cryptograph is an instrument for the writing in the dark, blind person both A and B. Which of the following is the microbiology site in the Twitter? Which key is called the footnote key in the output control person F? Which operation will be performed to move the block of a text image word fact and paste killer? PowerPoint is called software presentation. MS Word control page up is used to move the cursor one page up कहलाता है. ATM stand for the automatic teller machine. F1, F2 and F3. These keys are called the function key कहलाते हैं. What does the boot mean in the computing language? Load an operating system कहलाता है. What is the main difference between a mainframe and the supercomputer? Supercomputers are focused to execute a new program as fast as possible, while the mainframe used its power to execute as many programs concurrently. Man stand for the metropolitan area network. Programs stored in the ROM are called firmware. The firmware is the programming that written to a hardware device non-volatile memory. Cache memory acts between the CPU and the RAM. What was the initial name of the Microsoft Word when it was released? Multi-tool Word. Which of the following document setting can be changed from the front page of all, all of the above? Font size, it includes a distinct style, all of these. Which of the following is the second tab in the required insert character? You can add listing Excel data by pressing the key F2 key character. The greater than sign is an example of operation, logical operation character. How we can use a cell command, position and the mouse pointer over the cell character. Which of these terms do we use when an image in a clip art changed the direction that it was originally facing? Is the rotate कहलाता है. In the current presentation, if we want to insert a new slide, we can choose which of these can control plus M कहलाता है. To insert slide numbers, choose the insert slide number कहलाता है. This term provided in email, wrong email address कहलाता है. Cyber warfare is the destroy infrastructure कहलाता है. Which among the following is the fastest component in a computer? Cache कहलाता है. Cache stores temporary data and can be found on a computer's phone's apps and the web browser. Cache memory also store temporary data but is the physical computer component कहलाता है. Which part of the computer connects with the motherboard and gives the power to different parts? Power supply कहलाता है. A collection of interrelated files in the computer is database कहलाता है. What are describe a picture that has been resized by a percentage? Scale कहलाता है. What is the name of the Google's parent company? Alphabet Inc. कहलाता है. This program is used to convert high-level programming to low machine code. Compiler कहलाता है. Is a high-speed point-to-point channel for the attaching graphics card to a computer motherboard, primarily to assist in the acceleration of the 3D computer graphics. AGP accelerator graphic board कहलाता है. A is a data communication system within a building, planet, or the campus or a between nearby building design कहलाता है. Which key on the keyboard can be used to view the slide show क्या कहलाता है? F5 कहलाता है. F5 start the slide show from first slide and shift F5 start the slideshow from the current slide कहलाता है. A single page of the PowerPoint presentation start slide कहलाता है. Time required for a computer to locate and transfer data is called access time कहलाता है. An extremely small piece of the silicon on which integrated circuit are implicated is called the chip कहलाता है. What is the URL website address कहलाता है. Which file extension indicate graphics files? DMP and the GAF कहलाता है. How many margins are on a page? So header, footer, left, right. The power of the supercomputer is measured in the terms of the Clove's floating point operation per second. LIPS is the programming language for the artificial intelligence कहलाती है. LIPS is an acronym for the list process is a functional programming language that was designed for easy manipulation of data strings. As one of the oldest programming languages still in the use, LIPS offer several different delegates and has influences the development of other language. Which one of the following is referred to as the volatile memory, random access memory. The capacity of the hard disk depends upon the number of the disk operators tracked. Famous Silicon Valley is situated in which states of the US, California. What does the ISDN stand for? The Integrated Service Digital Network. In order to tell Excel that we are entering a formula in a cell, we must begin with an operator such as equal, which key is used in the Word 2007 to delete a character to the right of the blinking cursor. Delete कहलाता है. Which of the following is called the brain of the computer? CPU कहलाता है. Task manager is a utility program कहलाता है. PNG portable network graphics is an example of the raster graphics or the bitmap. Answering the received email is called an email reply. PowerPoint in new presentation can be created for all of the blank presentation, from the existing presentation, from design template, all of the above. Report is the machine which is controlled by a software contained in a chip is used in the field of all of the hybrid computers resemble both a digital and an analog computer. MS Word 2007 to extend the selection to the end of the document, press Ctrl plus Shift plus M. User developed instruction for the Excel are called the macros कहलाते हैं. Why might you hide worksheet in a workbook? Some data is private. For what can you use Outlook task? Schedule appointment and the meeting कहलाते हैं. You can use Outlook to create tasks that's reminded and the due dates and the track your upcoming task कहलाते हैं. What term describe the feature that gives Excel enhanced capability? Add-in कहलाता है. The most common type of storage device is the magnetic. Commonly used to the device that use magnetic storage including magnetic tape, floppy disk, and the hard disk drive. What does an I-beam facilitate? Dragging and the selecting text कहलाते हैं. The information inside your table needs to be stored alphabetically. To do this, you go to the table tools layout कर. आज के हमारे थे बेसिक कंप्यूटर नॉलेज MCQ. अगर हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे लाइक करें और चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.